Shutdown is a time when my bad habits are really starting to show themselves. Good morning, thanks for stopping by. Welcome to new subscribers, it's great to see you here. So I think the challenge of shutdown is that as we are forced into a more intense set of encounters with people, with the usual things, well certainly the usual things that I silence my bad habits with, busyness, etc. When those things are kind of taken away, although in some ways I'm just as busy, but you know what I mean, then all the elephants that I've managed to keep quiet in my rooms, as it were, are starting to make more and more noise. And you only have to ask my family. Of course they already know what those bad habits were, they already knew what they were, but now they're coming out more and more, and I think that's going to be part of the side effects of shutdown. I think that's a real challenge for us as parents during this time, because that's difficult, isn't it? It's painful. It's painful on us. Ooh, just going through now a bit. It's painful on our kids and our partners as we all try and process this reality for this period of time. I think if I was honest, it gives me an opportunity to reflect on how putting those elephants on mute perhaps hasn't been the most helpful, just kind of hiding them away. I suppose shutdown, a bit like New Year's resolutions, does give me a chance to reflect on how I want to be as a dad, as a sporting dad, what that looks like, and do some work on it. But also, do you know what, just being totally realistic, maybe shutdown isn't the easiest time or place to do that either. If you've got the capacity to work on some of those bad habits and see them changed, epic, go for it. I cheer you on. If you haven't, if life is just a lot at the moment in the sense of juggling home, school, kids who are disappointed, then I'm not surprised if you don't have the energy to work on those bad habits. Excuse me, just going down a bit here. Wow, glorious, look at it. Oh, stunning. One of the reasons I got a dog 10 years ago was because I knew my bad habits were getting too loud and I needed to walk and process and think. A dog has lots of advantages more than just walking, but I'm very grateful to having a dog in this time. Do you know the other thing is though, that my good habits are kind of shining in this time as well. The habits that I have that are healthy, nurturing to others and myself, they're getting a bit louder as well. So it's not all doom and gloom. I guess the challenge sometimes is, the temptation is sometimes to look at where the bits of us that need refining are having a bigger impact, but actually the bits of me that are pretty good are having a bigger impact as well, and that's to be celebrated, and those things are to be encouraged. And I guess for me, thinking about the time beyond this, it's an opportunity for me to start to have the courage to talk to my own kids about the elephants in the room in my own life, and maybe start to help them reflect about some of the elephants in the rooms in their lives, depending on their ages and what those elephants are. Listen, have a great day. Enjoy today. Set a good routine. I'm convinced that routines help. Good ritual and routine help elephants stay quieter. If you've got the capacity to change those elephants, go for it. If you haven't, don't worry. I suspect when we come out of this, most of the posts on Twitter and blogs that people will write will be like, oh, I had this great opportunity and I missed it. And I'd be like, no, you didn't miss it. The opportunity sucked. It was difficult. It was a hard time. No wonder people didn't revolutionise their exercise or write that book that they wanted to. But some people will, and I'm really pleased for you. So have a great day. Enjoy the time you get to spend with your kids, and keep those elephants quiet, but also be really encouraged to see where you're doing really well. If you don't agree with me, pop that in the comments box. If you agree with me, wow, thank you very much. Give me a thumbs up. Please do subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.